Hi, this is Xiaomi 13 and I'll show you how to remove home screen widgets on this device. So first we should hold for a while the empty space on our device home screen. After that you will see here widgets icon, just tap on it and we'll see here all the available widgets with all the available applications which widgets we can add. For example, let's use the calendar shadow or the month view. Just to add the widget, we should just hold it for a while and then just drag to our home screen. We can move widget on the screen or between the screens just by hold and drag it by that way. If you want to resize the widget, you should just hold it for a while and after that we can make it bigger or smaller. And to remove it from the home screen, we should just hold it and tap it to remove icon. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.